The Indian machine tool industry is growing at a steady pace and has positioned itself in the world market. Being a part of, we would like to invite your kind attention towards HMT Machine Tools Limited Kalamassery, a wholly owned subsidiary of HMT Limited. Being a leading machine tool manufacturer in the country, HMT Machine Tools Limited provides the best products in terms of technology, productivity and cost effectiveness, and our network spreads all over India. In our true devotion for a better and safer tomorrow, we have tied hands with Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Trivandrum, in developing technologies for fighting COVID-19. And we have come up with a H2O2 UV based disinfection gateway. The Chitra Disinfection Gateway, which is manufactured by HMT Machine Tools Limited Kalamassery, is meant for use in places where people comes from a public area. The unit aims at reducing the microbial or virus load that a person may carry through his body, clothing and bags. The unit works on a dual mode operation using the disinfectant hydrogen peroxide and ultraviolet ray. The Chitra Disinfection Gateway comes in variants, with a base model and the other for use at airports, malls, offices and commercial spaces. Now let us see how it works. The green light on the top of gateway indicates that the system is ready and the person can move forward. Once the person walks into the chamber, atomized hydrogen peroxide mist starts coming out from either ends. While in the chamber, the person has to rotate slowly for less than 10 seconds. And this is for ensuring their bag, body and clothing are getting exposed to hydrogen peroxide mist. The green light inside glows and this indicates that the person can walk out of the chamber. Once the person is out of the chamber, UV light will be turned on for a prescribed time and this decontaminates the gateway. When UV light turns off, the system is ready for next person. The whole cycle takes less than 30-second time. Our gateway is compact in size and the system is fully automatic with effective reduction in bioburden. Looking at the safety and efficacy consideration, we can proudly say that Chitra Disinfection Gateway would be a highly efficient and a safe one. In the current scenario, let us all be informed, be safe and be ready to fight. So let us together make the chain to break the chain.